Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is YANMER Engine. It's overhauling time. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's topic. This is a YANMER engine. kVA. Now its major overhauling is running. This is engine lube oil cooler pump, and engine block is up. Now its main bearing, beacon bearing also open. This is crankshaft. Beacon bearing. Lower side of this block, and this is inspection door, main bearing. This is balance weight between main bearing. This is the top view of the engine. Its liner, insert a new liner. This is gear, fuel pump coupling. Full view of this engine is very old. Headboard, push rod, this engine used as a generator engine to produce electric power. Its electric power is 80 kVA. There is 6 cylinder, fuel pump coupling, inspection door. This is the engine generator side, alternator. Actually this alternator create electric power. Tai-O, a Japanese alternator. Generator means mechanical energy convert to a electric energy, electric power. This is engine push rod, valve, suction valve, exhaust valve, spring retainer, headboard, unit of cylinder head. So guys, this is all for this day. Thanks for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.